What's going on, guys? Kieran Yo here, back in another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you a super awesome meta tower. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. And there's the tower. A few things before we get into this video. I'm going to be using the 1-drop terrarium for this tutorial. And if you're enjoying the ASMR experience of these recent tutorials, it's because it's at 1 AM. Or not 1 AM, midnight even. So I've got to be quiet. Anyway, let's get straight on into this tutorial. So to start off with, you're going to roll into just your basic wrist mount. And then grab open like a bucket. From there you're going to pop out onto your hand like so. And then land onto this string whilst letting go of the string on your thumb, or on your hand, sorry, which should look like that. And you should just create this like slack which you can go over. I don't want to go over this element for too long because I know most of you already know it and there are loads of tutorials on this element, and I want to get into more of the unique stuff. Anyway, from here you're going to put your thumb against this loop and then drop this slack onto it like so. And now you're in a little chopsticks. Anyway, yeah. So wrist mount, boom, chopsticks from the
on the space, I love the scenery. My happiness is misery, and nothing's like it used to be. Cause
this chopsticks, you're going to pinch with your thumb and palm, and then let go of your index finger. Then do a little slack over, and form just under or nothing. From here you're going to roll this way, and then this slack's going to come off, right? It's going to come round, and I'm just going to undercut the yo-yo like so. And this should land me in a brother with a little wrap. From here you can pinch and then just do this little whip. Now it's not like super important how you do this, but I find that it's easiest to do this trick when you get a nice grasp of the string like that. So just like bear that in mind, that you might want to just catch it like that. From here you're going to pinch again and then do another whip like that. But you're going to try and land it onto your wrist and then land the yo-yo onto that front string. So altogether that would look like that. And the reason why you do this is because that actually lands you into a reverse green triangle. So from that reverse green triangle you can do a tension hook and catch the loop like a suicide, and you should be in a green triangle that can pop out to the front. This is the last step of the trick, I'm sure you'll be happy to hear. So anyway, from here you're going to pinch, whip the slack round again, but this time you're just going to have the yo-yo hop over. I know it's not the best excuse, so I know Yo-Yo Joe actually has a trick on this very tower, so you can go and learn that there if like you need a bit more explanation. But basically as you whip over, you're going to roll the yo out that way, and it's going to come over and land on the string that's like closest to the loop. So you see how there's like two sides, you're going to want to land on this side, and that will form the tower. So anyway, altogether that last element should look like that. And it's easier to just catch with your whole hand for the loops, loop-wise, almost like that second hop, how you catch with your hand there. But other than that, yeah, that's the whole trick, so I'll go over it one more time for you. Wrist mount, slack thing, chopstick, pinch, slack, under and nothing, brother with weird loop, brother, fake reverse green triangle, then tower, and then you can drop and bind. So yeah, that's the whole trick. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them in the comments down below. Either like and subscribe, and yeah, peace.
Love the scenery, my happiness is misery, and nothing's like it used to be, 'cause everybody around me's feeling sorry for himself. So why the hell am I to blame? I never underestimate the impact of the fourth wall breaking down upon my feet. The offering is never bleak, I'm listening in like a kid, just finished it, can't be undid. Leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet, you're my alibi. It's fair enough, you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. You made a joke about a half-cut hated metaphor, and lately made her cry. Luck's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit